To make money on Webull as a beginner, follow these key steps. Educate yourself. Start by learning the basics of stock trading, market analysis, and investment strategies. Webull offers educational resources and tools to help you understanding trading concepts. Open an account. Sign up for a Webull account. Choose between a cash or margin account based on your trading needs and risk tolerance. A margin account allows for leverage, but it also involves higher risk. Deposit funds. Transfer money into your Webull account. This initial capital will be used to purchase stocks, ETFs, or other securities. Research and plan. Use Webull's research tools to analyze stocks and ETFs. Look at historical performance, company fundamentals, and market trends. Develop a trading plan or strategy based on your research. Start trading. Place buy and sell orders based on your strategy. Use limit orders to control entry and exit prices. Monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. Manage risk. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversify your investments to reduce risk. Monitor and learn. Regularly review your trading performance. Learn from your successes and mistakes to refine your strategy.